Yes, the title is true. CTrader is way better than MT5. It is way better than MT4. I recently put a tweet up about it, and yes, I got a ton of hate. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why. Here is the truth. Yes, most prop firms got cut off by meta quotes. They can no longer offer MT4, MT5, whatever the reason is. And so yes, many people think that prop firm owners, including myself, are saying this just because they have to say it. But the truth is, I was funded with FTMO back in 2021. I started using CTrader even before that, back in 2017 when I was funding my own personal account, and CTrader has been my favorite by far. Unfortunately, it is not available as of right now to US clients, but it is available to all non-US clients, and the platform is incredible. For anybody that says it's not, I simply don't understand why. The only reason that MT5 might be better than CTrader is if you use an EA. I personally don't. And so in this video, I'm going to break down CTrader. For those of you that haven't seen it, this is the video for you. You are hopefully going to love it. And if you don't, I don't know why you wouldn't. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we have CTrader right here. Now, if you're not used to it, it might look a little daunting at first. But personally, MT4 and MT5, a platform from the 1980s, seemed daunting to me at first. So we're going to take it step by step. I'll show you what I use. I am by no means a CTrader expert, but if I am trading, I'll show you exactly what I do. So you can have your charts up here. Let's start with the charts, the pair that you want to trade. Click on new symbol. You can go through everything you want. Popular markets, metals, oil, Forex. See a little Euro USD. Let's see what's going on. We pull up the chart and then we can change the time frame. So we can go to 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. Let's check the daily chart. Daily chart's right here. Perfect. So we are on the daily chart. And if we want to adjust it, the only thing I will say, I'm not an expert, that I haven't quite figured out on I believe the app itself, if you download it, in order to zoom in and out, there's a button. For the button, you can double click and then you have this nice zoom feature. So it's super easy. Can't get much better than that. Here we go. Let's say we want to clean up the chart a little bit. What I personally like to do is I like to go under viewing options, and let's do the period separators. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of the grid. Ask price line we can keep. Price alerts we want. Orders positions. Object toolbar. Chart scale, we can get rid of that. Deal map. Tick volume. Look at that. Before we know it, we're already nice and clean. Things are looking good. You can also change your colors. So if you want to put, your red to blue or your green to yellow, you're more than welcome to do that as well. But let's just keep it simple. For me, I do like a couple of indicators. So we're going to go to a simple moving average. We're going to type that in. Indicators. Simple moving average. We're going to throw on the 200. The 200 we're going to make it blue. We're going to throw on another one. We're going to make it the 100, and we'll make it green. And let's then throw on the 50. So there's lots of indicators on here that you can easily throw on. We'll make this 50, and let's make it purple. Okay, so we have our 3 indicators here. Now, what I love about CTrader is this is going to be a hard sell, but when I was back with FTMO in 2021, 2022, I actually stopped using TradingView and I traded directly in CTrader. I did all my charting. That does take a little bit of adjustment to go from TradingView to CTrader, but the alerts are so much better on CTrader that it's actually worth considering. And my charting is not complicated. I'm using key levels, trend lines, SPIBs, stuff like that, psychological levels. So it's nothing really too crazy. So let's just start out doing absolutely basic analysis. Again, this is the daily chart. We're going to throw this on here. Here, we can double click this. We can duplicate it, put our channel there. What else can we do? Let's do this guy here. Okay. You can change the colors of all these. Super simple. And then again, let's say we want to get in a little bit closer. We can zoom in a little bit. Do that. And then we can adjust. So there's so many things you can do. Let's say we want to throw our fib on here now. We're going to go from the top to the bottom. You can see it's automatically connecting to the levels of the wicks. Let's go into settings. We want to get rid of a bunch of these. I want only the best ones. 150, 176. I don't want to display the prices. 38 we'll keep. 61, 76.4 we'll keep as well. And then the rest we'll get off. All those extension levels we don't need. And if we want to change the color, I don't know, let's make it blue. Sure. So for me, my trading is super simple. I just like using zones of high confluence, so I can already see one appearing here. We've got this 50 simple moving average coming down, the 61 fib. I say, oh, I'm probably going to want to take a sell here. So I just always draw my box right like that. We're going to make it red because it's a sell. And we're going to go into settings and we're going to fill the rectangle with color. Perfect. We're going to do that guy. And then we're going to drop down the opacity. And right like that, we have our sell. We also have one that we could draw, copy and paste. Works perfect. Put that guy over there on the 76. I want to pull this box in. And that's how I'll be looking at that. Let's say, again, this is the daily. So let's jump down a little bit to let's go down to the 1 hour here. Let's see if we can find anything else. Double click. We're going to zoom out a little bit. And I can see there's a really nice key level, really nice support line that's right here at 1.06. So I'm going to want to draw this as a key level or even a potential buy. In order to do that, I draw the box. We're going to put green, 50% opacity. And now I know that this is a level that I will likely want to take a buy on. So what do I do next? Let's jump to the 4 hour chart. Again, I'm giving you both a little breakdown of my trading strategy that I used to trade full time back in 2021, 2022. Lots of videos on this channel that you can check out for that. So I am now waiting. All right. Great trading is waiting. It's a long game. Great trading is boring trading. I want to take this sell and I want to take this buy, but we're still so far away. Of course, I could go into a lower time frame, find other trades, but we're still super far away. I might even want to take one on the 50 here. Actually, yeah, let's draw that because we have the other moving average there. I'm going to make this guy a lot smaller. I'm going to throw him on right there. Okay. So what am I going to do? Well, the beautiful thing about CTrader is not only can I set pending orders, which I'm going to show you shortly, you can also set alerts. So let's actually start with the pending orders because you're going to be able to see just how easy it is to calculate your position size, which is probably the biggest selling point of CTrader. It is so easy to execute your trades. I'm telling you, there's no platform that is better than this. So one thing that you can do is you can literally drag, you might need the app for this. Yes. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to come over here and we are going to do trade watch bottom, which we have right here. So what we're now going to do is we're going to go new order, Euro USD. Because we're on the Euro USD chart, it already pops up. Let's set our sell order first, and it's a limit order. So Euro USD limit sell, and you can see here that it's just around 1.07, but the price doesn't really matter because we're going to be able to easily adjust it. Let's just put 1.07, and let's put stop loss at 50 pips. Again, it doesn't matter because we're going to be able to super easily adjust it, okay? And sure, 100 pips. So we're going to place order. And what do we see? We see it right here. Now, this is actually not anywhere close to where I wanted it. I wanted it here. I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at the wrong line. So to adjust it, you can literally just drag your entire order. Drag it there. Oh, stop loss. That's insane. Well, I want it just above the moving average. Boom. Let's just pull that down. Automatically calculates it. And let's say I want to aim for my take profit level to be this resistance turn support level. If price does trigger our pending order, we'll put it right there at 45 pips. Now, what about our position size? No problem. We have our order set at the right price. We have our stop loss, roughly 20 pips. We can make it a little bit wider if we want. 20 pips, 45 pips. Double click it. Based on our account size of $100,000, our 20 pip stop loss, currently at one lot, we are at just a 0.19% loss. So let's say we want to increase that and we want our stop loss of negative 20 pips to be 1%. Well, let's do a 5 lot position, 500K. And just like that, you can see 0.97. Now, if you really wanted to finesse this, you could jump up, boom, 1% right there. And the win would be 2.25%, $2,300 at 45.4 pips, modify order. And just like that, you are good to go. But of course, like any great infomercial, you can take it one step further with alerts. You will get alerts both on the program and both on your email, and there are unlimited alerts that you can have on CTrader. All you're going to do is you're going to go to price alert, and you can now put it exactly where you want. So I personally like to be alerted just before my order gets triggered. So I'm going to put one right there. So I'll get the email, I'll get the alert on the platform. I can jump onto the screen, make sure I still want to take the trade, and I'll be good to go. You can even add a note right here saying, hey, wake up, big trade coming. Don't miss it. Big bucks inbound. All right. And then you could put, I could put 50 fib plus MA plus kilo, right? Something like that, create alert, and then boom, we're gonna get that. But now you might think, oh, the chart's getting a little messy. No problem, let's double click again. Let's go to viewing options. You can get rid of the alert, which is going to be price alerts. And you can even get rid of your orders. And just like that, the chart is absolutely super clean. We can get rid of the bottom here. Whoops, that's a different feature. We're now in multi-chart mode. We can go back to this. Look, just like that, we know our analysis is done. I've set my orders, I've set my alerts, everything is there. It's so clean. I could even get rid of the fib if I want. And I have just these boxes that I know exactly what's going on. And it is beautiful. I can zoom out a little bit if I want to make any minor adjustments, but it's fantastic. You can see how it's easy to chart, assuming your charting isn't too crazy. But even if it is, there's a lot of features in here that I haven't even touched, I haven't even explored. You can set your pending orders, you can set market orders. It is so easy to calculate your position sizes. And then on top of that, you get both email alerts and platform alerts unlimited. It is a fantastic platform. Now, lastly, what I want to show you is trade management. Once you are in a trade, it's even easier to manage it than any other platform. You can see here that I have had a buy on Bitcoin from a support level. You can actually see over here, I've had a buy. This is the 4-hour chart. So it's been a few days. It executed on April 15th. And so it's just been riding up a little bit here. What you can see here is if you want, you can reverse the position, which will automatically close this position and it will go into a short. Or you could double the position. By doubling the position, you'll actually see that all that will happen is this line here will jump up. It will pop up, and instead of it being a 1 BTC position, it will be a 2 BTC position. Or let's say I wanted to set my take profit level, I can literally just drag it here. Oh, I want to take profit just before this moving average, no problem. And if I want my trade to get stopped out at break even, boom, drag that and you are good to go. I personally think that this ends the debate of whether MT5 or CTrader is better. CTrader is an incredible platform. It is not just prop firm owners or myself saying it. I've been using this platform for years, and personally, it is still the best. If you have any questions, please drop them down below. We are building the #1 email newsletter for traders trying to get funded, Lark Digest. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you will receive an email straight into your inbox with insider stats, news on what's going on in the industry, all kinds of drama that you might miss on Twitter. It is good stuff. So you can subscribe to that down below. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. See you in the next one. Till then, peace.